Today is a special day for us. We work with the Airjet. Their customer focused on to keep their craft in the highest level of performance.
The Global for me is a great machine that Bombardier developed.
The Global nowadays is the flagship of the industry.
So they just implemented the new RDR 7000, the CDU 830, and the Step C with the CPDLC solution in this Bombardier plane.
We choose Bombardier and choose Honeywell because we are always looking for what we have the best.
We are performing the 5-year inspection plus some upgrades, especially in the avionics. And the objective is to make the airplane future-proof for the next 5 years.
I like the Honeywell avionics. It's ideal to deal with because it's very easy to train and to fly.
The RDR 7000 is a cutting-edge solution which offers different features for weather detection, like turbulence, hail, lightning, and wind shear detection.
Go around, wind shear ahead.
This one has a predictive wind shear, the other one we don't. So situation awareness and weather awareness for me is the main point in the aviation safety.
For the CDU, in the interface now is more comfortable for the pilots so they can focus and increase the safety a lot, including the CPDLC Step C. For us now is better because we can increase our flights to Europe and being the first aircraft that has this in Brazil. So we don't have any problem now here in the US.
That gives better interaction between the airplane and the ATCs around the world. In some regions like Europe, that technology is required.
This solution will improve the aircraft features and functionality, and especially will provide a comfort to the passengers.
Working with Honeywell has been a pleasure. So JV and I, we have the same values. We focus on safety first.
One of the reasons that I love to work with Bombardier and with Ricardo, because we work as a team. We have the teamwork spirit. And I think that is crucial to deliver the best solution to our customers.